listen, this is a 2022 case. It's 2026, last I checked on a calendar. It's been 4 years. You didn't show up. No wonder Judge hasn't set that bond. If you do this again, I will make you sit in jail for the longest time until we have a trial. Stackpool. Noah Jackson Stackpool, 216-647-949. Your name, sir?
Noah Jackson Stackpool.
Where you been? Yeah.
I've been in Adrian, Michigan.
You been in where?
Adrian, Michigan.
I know, but why didn't you show up?
I was in the hospital during the time of the big stuff.
What hospital were you in?
It's called Bronson Facilities.
When?
The 21st, so the 20th through the 26th. Pre-trial was the 21st.
Of May or? Why didn't you show up May the 7th? You're supposed to be here, I'm sorry, May the 21st, I mean. Why didn't you show up May the 21st for your pretrial? I got a notice right in here. When I told you that on May the 7th, you were supposed to be here May the 21st. Why didn't you here?
So I was in the hospital. I misspoke. Said I was in June 21st. June 20th, June 26th. It was May 20th, 26th.
Then why didn't you show up when you were supposed to be here on June the 22nd? I don't either. Listen to me. We're going to get through the case, okay? Got it? Okay. I got to get through the case. All right? Did you go in and talk to the prosecutor yourself today? Do you have a lawyer?
Yes, he's in the office.
Oh, jeez. All right, my mistake. Why don't you have a seat right behind you? And as soon as Mr. Schlopp comes in, I know he's real busy.
I'll wait, Judge.
Yeah, just have a seat at the table there. Terrell Ron Ortiz, 260-648-513. Your name? How you doing, Mr. Ortiz? You met with the prosecutor, right?
Yes.
And he worked this out. He's going to allow you to plead to no operator's license on person with the driving on the suspended to be dismissed. Is that right?
Yes.
And you understand if you plead to no ops on person, that is punishable by up to $100 fines, 90 days jail, costs of all those. You understand that?
Yes.
And did you?
Before we dive in, just a quick note. This commentary is created for educational purposes, designed to help those who may be confused or curious about courtroom processes. If you don't find it helpful, feel free to skip ahead. But for those who want a deeper understanding, stay tuned. It's about to get intense. In today's courtroom, we're about to witness several very different defendants facing the same judge, each bringing unique excuses, legal issues, and life circumstances. Watch closely because one moment will reveal just how seriously this judge treats missed court appearances, while another shows the balance between accountability and second chances. Which defendant do you think handled their situation the best?
Sign, read, and understand an advice of rights form.
Yeah.
You plead guilty, you'll be giving up all of those rights, and we are not going to have a trial of any kind. You understand that?
Yes.
You still have the right to a lawyer. If you want one, I'll give you one. Do you want a lawyer? You waive your right to a lawyer?
Yes.
To the charge, no valid operator's license on person, how do you plead? Nice and loud.
Yes.
On May 29th to 26th, were you operating a motor vehicle on Fort, they're Marion and Trenton at 11:13 p.m.?
Yes.
Did you have a valid operator's license on your person at the time?
No.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Anybody force you to plead guilty? I just want you to understand, and listen, I don't want you to say anything about your immigration, about your status as a citizen. There could be consequences, immigration consequences, as a result of this plea. Do you understand what I said?
I'm not mixed.
Well, I don't know what you are, where you were born, and I don't want to know. I'm just telling you, if you're,
Okay.
there could be immigration consequences as a result of this plea and conviction. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
You're Spanish, right?
Or
Okay. Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No.
And you still wish to plead guilty, correct?
Yeah.
All right, I'll accept your plea. I find it to be an accurate plea. I'll dismiss the suspend. Anything you'd like to tell me? What are you doing to get your license back here?
Gotta wait till for
You gotta wait till what?
to
Oh, I see. You're suspended until actually the 5th, right?
yeah.
All right, 100 fines, 70 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, 295 or 30 days, okay? Can you pay that now? We're not open tomorrow. Do you have anything today or not?
Later. Later.
How later?
Like
Okay, can you pay it all then? 295. All right, I'll just give you until noon today, okay?
Thank you.
Good luck. Canones. John Freddie Arango Canones. Your name? Come on up here. Come on up. Your name?
Your Honor, speak Spanish.
You don't speak English.
I got it. Come on up here, ma'am. Are you with him?
No, I heard it on both.
I'm not sure how I didn't have a Spanish interpreter at the time of the plea, though, Heather. I don't think you ever had a Spanish interpreter before. He pled guilty to operating while impaired. Listen, why don't we get him let's get him a Spanish interpreter and try to convey that to him on that device, will you please?
Hey, Judge, I have Evelyn on the phone. I just realized that we had him here today. Is she, if he wants to wait, she can get on. She's in a breakout room on a case right now, but I believe she said she could get on right after. Is that correct, Miss Villarreal? Yes, as soon as she's done with the case, she could get on our Zoom.
Okay. John, you're gonna have to help him. Take him to a breakout, take him to a computer and help him get set up or have one of those guys.
Yeah.
Do it down the hall. Okay? Let's try to get that resolved today. Wait 1 second. All right? I don't know what to say.
Beginnings.
I know.
One.
Go with him. Go with him. Follow him. Okay? Read.
Thank you.
Or read rather. Diesha, Santoya, Kenya, Reed. If I'm calling any of you that have lawyers, just tell me that, okay? This is 260-648-670.
Hi, Your Honor.
Okay, your name?
Aisha Santoya King, get ready.
All right, so you met with the prosecutor and he's offered you the following.
Yes,
I have A and B files and C files. So you got a speeding, drive while suspend, and no insurance. And as I understand it, he's going to dismiss the driving on a suspended and the speeding if you plead guilty to impeding. Plead responsible to impeding, plead guilty to no ops, and responsible to no insurance. Is that true?
that is true.
If you plead guilty to no operator's license on person, the possible penalties are up to 100 fines, 90 days jail, costs, or all of those. Do you understand that?
Yes,
If you plead responsible to impeding, that's 0 points, and the speeding would be dismissed then. Do you understand that?
yes,
And if you plead responsible to no proof of insurance, that's a 0-point civil infraction. Do you understand that?
yes,
Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights form?
yes,
If you plead guilty to no operator's license on your person, you'll be giving up all of those rights and we're not going to have a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
yes,
All right. You still wish to waive your right to a lawyer?
I do.
To the charge, no valid operator's license on your person, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Were you operating a motor vehicle 24th, 26th in the city of Trenton, County of Wayne on Fort near Flucy at 1:37 p.m.?
Yes.
Do you have a valid operator's license on your person at the time?
No.
Are you on probation? Are you on probation or parole?
No,
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
no.
What are you doing to get your license back?
What am I doing to get my license
Yeah.
back? I'm going to each of the court dates. I just moved. That was the issue. I didn't get the paper in the mail, so I'm just clearing it up now.
I'll accept your plea to no
I
option.
apologize.
You gotta be more responsible to the judge.
I did put in a change of mailing address with the US Post Office. It just, all the mail came as a clump. So by the time I got it, I missed the court dates. So I've been calling around to court and everything now. I have.
To the charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
To the charge of no proof of insurance, responsible or not responsible? So
Responsible.
again, I'll accept that plea, accept to no ops, dismiss the suspend, accept the plea to impeding, dismiss the speed, and accept the plea to no proof of insurance. Do you have insurance? You don't have insurance because you don't have a valid license, right?
Correct.
Anything you'd like to tell me?
Whatever the charges are, am I able to pay it on Monday?
Sure.
That's it.
You gotta stop doing this though.
I promise you I won't do it.
On the no ops, 100 fine, 75 costs, 75 victims' rights fee, $50 justice assessment, 300 or 60 days, 195 on the no proof, and 175 on the impeding. So your total is 495, 595, 670. You can pay all that Monday?
Yeah,
You sure?
I'm positive.
All right, paid by July the 6th, okay? Now, if something happens, you don't have the money, you call the
Yeah.
court, we'll go on Zoom, I'll give you an extension. You understand?
Yeah.
You understand you're not gonna ignore me though, right?
I'm gonna come. I'm gonna tell you if I have an issue.
All right, good luck.
Thank you.
Judge,
You're
how much, I'm sorry, Judge, how much was it for the impeding?
The impeding is 175. The no
Right,
proof.
thank you.
Ma'am, don't go anywhere yet. Wait 1 second. That's, and then 195 on the no proof, so that should be 370. What did I tell you had to come with? Come on back up here. What did I tell you had to come? No. Ma'am, come on up here. What did I tell you had to pay?
Is it 490?
No. 175 and it's 495 plus the 175. If I didn't say that, it's $670. Did I tell her something different? No? Okay, so it's 670. Okay?
Okay.
All right, good luck.
you.
People again. Bashan, Robert Bernard Bashan. 2F2383348. B and C.
Yes, Your Honor. James Schloff, on behalf of Mr. Bashan, he's,
I'm trying to move him out of the breakout room right now.
Okay.
okay. And
Here he comes.
Mr. Bashan, your name?
Robert Bashan.
Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to speak with him via Zoom, and he is doing, he was brought into Wayne County Jail on a probation violation from Judge Slavens. I believe they're finished with him there, so he was put off for these tickets, and it's a Flat Rock case. I was not able to speak to the Flat Rock city attorney, not in, or at least not in yet. And
Is Flat Rock here today?
No, they are not.
so what I was going to ask the court is to put it off to another date and to allow him out on a personal bond. I know it's been some time, but
3
they're
years.
low severity cases. He's done 15 days already in Wayne County Jail and waiting his probation. And I spoke to him about the importance, especially before this court, of coming into court and taking care of his matters.
What's wrong with you, Mr. Bashan? You think you can ignore courts like this?
No, sir.
Well, then why did you?
So I did 7 months and on my probation.
Listen, this is a 2022 case.
Yeah.
This is
So
2026, last I checked on a calendar. It's been 4 years. You didn't show up. No wonder Judge hasn't set that bond.
yeah, I didn't even realize that I had this.
Realize this now,
This is easily one of the most important moments in the hearing. Notice that the judge isn't simply upset about the original charge. He's focused on the defendant ignoring the court for nearly 4 years. In any courtroom, failing to appear can create far bigger problems than the underlying offense because it shows a lack of respect for the judicial process. Even so, instead of immediately ordering jail, the judge grants a personal bond while making it crystal clear that another missed appearance won't be tolerated. Do you think this was a fair second chance, or would you have imposed a stricter consequence? Let us know in the comments.
I don't get it. When is, I'm surprised Flat Rock's not here at all today, Heather?
No,
Aren't they usually here on Thursdays? Is
they
today
are.
Thursday?
He is on vacation.
Oh, okay. Well, when's Flat Rock with me again?
Not till the 14th.
I'll adjourn this to July 14th at 9 o'clock.
We
I
don't
will
have him
give
till
you
the
a-
afternoon that day, Judge.
Oh, at 1 o'clock. I will give you a personal bond, Mr. Bashan, of $3,000. If you do this again, I will make you sit in jail for the longest time until we have a trial. Do we understand one another?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand what date I just gave you?
Yes, sir.
What date did I just give you?
The 14th,
At what time?
1 o'clock.
You still live on, is it Hanover Boulevard?
Yes, sir.
That's where the notice is going. Heather, prepare the paperwork. If you have no other holes, you'll be released.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Good luck. Thank you. All right. What do I have here with DeQuandra Sharnagee? Huh?
He represents Stackpole too, so.
Oh, you have Stackpole?
You still-
People against Noah Jackson Stackpole, 26T647949. Yeah, I'm sorry. I called him. I didn't realize he had a lawyer. Your appearance?
James Schloss, 30720, on behalf of Mr. Stackpole.
Mr. Stackpole, your name? So he's going to plead to disorderly person under section 771.1.
That's correct.
Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you plead guilty here, this is punishable by up to 500 fines, 90 days jail, costs, or all those. I'll place you on probation. I'll set terms and conditions, and if you're compliant at the end of the probationary term, the case will be dismissed. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you sign, read, and understand and advice of rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights, and we are not going to have a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
To the charge of disorderly person, how do you plead? Were you in the city of Trenton, county of Wayne, at or near 3911 Fort Street, apartment 219, on April the 3 of 26 at 3:23 p.m.?
Yes, Your Honor.
What did you do that makes you guilty of disorderly conduct?
Wow, a little bit. I swore and
Who'd you swear at?
a police officer,
Why?
because I was just being stupid.
Did he come over to the, was it a he or she? What officer?
I don't know.
There was 6 or 7 officers.
They came to the scene because you were loud initially, is that right?
No, I called them initially to get my things from my father's apartment, and I was loud a little bit, and I was disturbing the apartment complex, and I swore a little bit.
And in addition, Your Honor, he's at a shelter now, so,
I need the police report on Stackpole, please.
and he's also treating
Yeah.
for medical as well.
Okay. All right. Are you on, right now, are you on probation or parole?
Either.
Has anybody forced you to plead guilty?
No, Your
Okay, let me take a look at the police report. Did you read it?
Yes.
It's not in the file for some reason. So I called the prosecutor. He's going to bring it in. I'll take a quick look at it.
Does the court also wish to look at the
I might,
received from his case manager?
I'll be glad to. I might sentence him today if I get a hold of the police report. I just don't know where it is. Thank you.
Should I duck my head in and see if I can get it?
Yeah, would you please? I have a feeling you misplaced it or something.
Yeah.
You have it? Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, please. Thank you.
It was a 27 district one. He's transferred. They just finally got the judge it over. So it's that.
This was 27.
Yeah, you handled it.
They gave it to, they assigned me a
Yep.
CAO.
You already had the hearing. I think
Okay.
It's just they haven't got the document.
Okay, thanks.
That's it.
All right, let me take a quick peek here. Okay, you can't be aggressive with police officers. You know that, right? No, I mean,
Somebody would.
all right, I'm gonna go ahead and sentence.
Judge.
This is a first offense. He's never been in trouble. So I'll listen to anything you have to say.
Just very shortly, as the court can see, he's recommended for 771.1. He does have a history of mental illness that's being addressed now. As you can see from the letter from the caseworker, he has some things that they are helping him address as well. So I ask the court to go along with this recommendation from the prosecutor and allow him an opportunity.
Who do you live with now, sir?
Emergency shelter in Adrian, Michigan.
Okay. You lived in Trenton before?
Yes, sir.
Can I safely assume you're not going to do this again?
Yes, sir.
You're going to get yourself some help?
Yes, sir.
I don't have to order you to go to psychiatric treatment or anything?
Correct.
Anything you want to tell me?
Sorry for what I did in 91.
3 months probation. I'll take it under 771.1. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate any law. You must appear in court as directed. At probation as directed. 100 fines, 100 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, 60 in probation fees. So I'm going to go light on you. 385. I'm not going to require court work or community service or anything else. You pay your fines, you stay out of trouble, you come back in 3 months. If you are compliant, I'll be more than happy to dismiss your case. You have 21 days to appeal, and you have 14 days to apply for a court-appointed lawyer for purposes of appeal if you cannot afford one. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Can he have an opportunity to pay over a period of time?
Yeah. Give me a review hearing date, Heather, please.
We
Oh,
could
sorry,
do
no, I'm sorry.
September 24th.
That's good enough. September 24th at 8:30. You pay your fines. You'll be instructed, I guess, by.
Today's hearing showcased how one courtroom can handle a wide range of situations, from traffic violations and licensing offenses to missed court dates and disorderly conduct. Throughout every case, the judge emphasized a consistent message: honesty, responsibility, and showing up to court matter just as much as the charges themselves. While some defendants received reduced penalties or second chances, those opportunities came with clear expectations and legal obligations. The court demonstrated that justice isn't only about punishment, it's also about accountability, fairness, and giving people the opportunity to correct their mistakes when appropriate. If you found this courtroom case as fascinating as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns and legal analysis. We'll see you in the next case.
Probation, it should take 3 minutes. And you said you could pay that now?
In this courtroom moment, the judge demonstrates exactly what fairness and justice should look like. Rather than making emotional decisions, he carefully explains the conditions of the court and reminds the defendant that every privilege comes with responsibility. His instructions are clear: obey the law, respect the court, and never violate the conditions of release. The judge speaks with firmness but also with professionalism, showing that his goal is not simply to punish, but to protect the integrity of the justice system. His calm authority and commitment to equal justice serve as a powerful reminder that accountability and respect are the foundation of every courtroom.
Yes, sir.
All right, go pay the money, get your review hearing date, and Heather, talk to probation. They might not even need to see him. I'm just finding them. They probably don't need. In fact, I'm gonna make it non-reporting probation, okay? I'm gonna make it non-reporting probation. I would like you to take this out of the file, though, that you handed me. I don't need this floating around the public
Okay.
court file,
I'll return it to him.
okay? John? Yeah, thank you. All right, so non-reporting probation. I'm going light. Don't make me look bad, Mr. Stackpool. Good luck. Thank you.